Industrial metal shelving is a highly efficient storage solution for small garages and workshops, transforming cluttered spaces into organized hubs of productivity. Its robust design and customizable configurations align with a mindset focused on maximizing potential, optimizing space, and fostering clarity and precision in work environments. Vertical storage solutions such as tall narrow shelves make strategic use of height to create order and functionality. These units fit seamlessly into corners or along walls, keeping central spaces clear for essential tasks. Adjustable shelves offer flexibility, allowing users to adapt the system to specific needs, embodying resourcefulness and adaptability. Wall-mounted shelving systems provide a clean, clutter-free approach to storage, offering easy access to essential tools and materials. By pairing wall-mounted shelves with pegboards or hooks, users can create multifunctional storage areas that emphasize preparedness and efficiency. Rolling shelving units with casters enhance flexibility, enabling users to reposition tools and materials as needed. Locking casters provide stability, balancing mobility with safety, making these units ideal for dynamic workspaces that require frequent reorganization. Corner shelving units exemplify ingenuity by utilizing often neglected spaces. These shelves are perfect for smaller or seasonal items, preserving main working areas for critical activities. Similarly, ceiling-mounted shelving systems utilize overhead space for long-term storage, offering secure solutions for infrequently used items and contributing to a layered and comprehensive storage strategy. Shelving systems with built-in drawers or cabinets combine open and enclosed storage. Drawers are ideal for small delicate tools, while lockable cabinets ensure the safety of hazardous or vulnerable items, addressing both accessibility and security needs. Stackable bins, particularly color-coded or labeled ones, enhance organization by simplifying categorization and providing quick access to stored items. Transparent bins further improve visibility, ensuring a clear and efficient storage systems. Customizable shelving options, including dividers, magnetic strips, and hooks, increase versatility. Modular systems that can be expanded or reconfigured over time reflect adaptability, ensuring storage remains relevant as needs evolve. Stability and safety are critical, with heavier items placed on lower shelves and units securely anchored to withstand vibrations or heavy use. Powder-coated finishes ensure durability and resistance to rust or corrosion, maintaining both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Investing in high-quality materials reflects a commitment to long-lasting performance, making industrial shelving an indispensable asset for those who value organization, efficiency, and resilience. A steel and glass industrial coffee table is an excellent project for DIY enthusiasts, offering the opportunity to create a stylish and durable centerpiece that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. The careful selection of premium materials, thoughtful design, and meticulous finishing techniques result in a piece that bridges the gap between modern minimalism and rustic charm, reflecting a timeless style. The steel frame is the foundation of the table, providing strength, stability, and durability. Thick gauge steels ensures robustness, while smooth surfaces and clean edges facilitate precise assembly and create a polished appearance. To further enhance its longevity, a powder-coated finish protects the steel from corrosion, making it ideal for daily use and symbolizing a commitment to practicality and resilience. The tempered glass tabletop is an essential component, combining durability with elegance. This material is resistant to scratches and shattering, ensuring long-term functionality. Glass with a thickness of at least 10 mm provides the steadiness necessary for everyday use. Clear glass emphasizes modern minimalism, while frosted or smoked glass adds a subtle sophistication that complements both industrial and rustic styles. Polished or beveled edges enhance safety by protecting against chipping and reinforce the overall refined construction. The table design thoughtfully merges aesthetic appeal with practical functionality. Clean geometric lines convey a modern sensibility, while rustic elements such as weathered or patinated steel finishes add warmth and character. Structure features like cross-brace supports provide stability without compromising the sleek silhouette, and adjustable leveling feet ensure the table remains stable on uneven surfaces, highlighting a dedication to both form and function. Finishing techniques play a crucial role in elevating the table's overall quality. A matte or satin black powder coated finishes enhances its modern appeal, delivering understated elegance. For those seeking a more rustic aesthetic, distressed or patinated steel finishes add texture and authenticity, often achieved through techniques like chemical oxidation and intentional watermarks. These finishes can be sealed with a clear protective coat to preserve their unique look over time. Attention to assembly details underscores the craftsmanship of the piece. High quality fasteners contribute to durability and visual harmony, whether they are concealed for a seamless look or exposed with brushed or polished finishes to enhance the industrial aesthetic. The careful execution of seamless joints reflects the sophistication of minimalist design, ensuring that the table is both functional and visually appealing. Strategic placement within a room enhances the table's impact and integration into the space. When positioned near natural light, the glass top reflects brightness, emphasizing its clean lines and modern aesthetic. In more rustic interiors, placing the table on a textured rack or among leather or wooden accents creates a warm, cohesive atmosphere. Accessories such as decorative trays or a curated centerpiece further enrich the table's presence, blending practical use with artistic expression. Routine care is essential to preserve the table's elegance and durability. Cleaning the glass with non-abrasive cleaners maintains its clarity and brilliance, while regular wiping of the steel frame with a mild cleanser prevents dust accumulation and surface mask. Periodic inspection of fasteners and joints ensure the table's structural integrity, prolonging its lifespan and maintaining its status as a focal point in the room. Protecting steel and wood patio furniture from rust and weather damage requires a combination of durable finishes, aesthetic considerations, and thorough sealing against environmental factors. Proper preparation, application, and ongoing maintenance are essential to ensure long-lasting protection and enhanced visual appeal. Steel patio furniture benefits significantly from finishes that prevent rust and corrosion. Powder coating is the premier choice, offering a durable and weather-resistant layer achieved by curing a dry powder under heat. This method provides a customizable finish in various colors and textures, combining functionality with style. For DIY enthusiasts, rust-inhibiting spray paint designed for outdoor use offer an effective and convenient alternative. This paint creates a smooth, moisture-resistant and UV protective barrier, ensuring that the steel remains resilient and visually appealing. Galvanization provides another level of protection, particularly for furniture exposed to harsh conditions. Hot dip galvanizing immerses steel in molten zinc, creating a robust protective layer against extreme weather. For a more decorative approach, cold galvanizing spray offers practicality with an attractive finish, appealing to those seeking both durability and style. Wood patio furniture require finishes that protect against moisture, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations. Penetrating oils such as linseed oil are well suited for hardwoods like teak, cedar, and mahogany. These oils nourish the wood, enhance its natural beauty, and create a water-resistant barrier. Periodic reapplication ensures continued protection while allowing the wood to age gracefully under environmental stress. For greater durability, marine-grade varnishes or spa urethanes provide superior water and UV resistance. These finishes form a flexible protective layer that accommodates the wood's natural expansion and contraction, preventing cracks and peeling. Their effectiveness is especially notable in coastal or humid regions. Applying multiple thin coats with a high-quality brush produces a polished professional finish that highlights the craftsmanship of the furniture. Wood stains with integrated sealant offer dual benefits by resisting moisture and enhancing color. Transparent and semi-transparent stains preserve the natural grain, while solid stains provide a uniform appearance. Proper preparation, including cleaning and sanding the wood, ensures smooth application and long-lasting results. Routine maintenance is critical to preserving treated furniture. Cleaning with mild soap and water removes dirt and debris that can compromise finishes. Addressing rust spots on steel with fine steel wool or rust removal product stops corrosion before it spreads. Similarly, sanding and reapplying finishes to wood ensures its continued resilience and beauty. Using weatherproof covers and storage solution enhances these protective measures. Covers shield furniture from rain, snow, and UV rays, while storing pieces in covered areas during extreme weather provides additional security. Lightweight furniture can be moved indoors during harsh seasons, while heavier pieces benefit from proper treatment and covers to remain outside without damage. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.